New developments in a story that we continue to follow for you. Police believe a 17-year-old killed his sister and her husband, a Savannah police officer, last year. Today, Michael Barber appeared in court. Many believed it would be his last appearance, but as News 3's Andrew Davis reports, the case took a surprising turn.
Michael Barber walked into court today expecting to plead guilty to murder charges connected to the death of his sister and her husband. But in just a few minutes, that plea changed, and it means we are now headed to trial.
18-year-old Michael Barber Jr. walked into a Savannah courtroom in handcuffs. In the crowd, his family, as well as a dozen or more family and friends of Luis and Akia Molina. Barber was living with his sister Akia and her husband Luis, a Savannah police corporal, back in August. He's accused of stabbing them both to death inside the family home. Before this hearing, Barber, who's facing malice and felony murder charges in connection with the killing, apparently had agreed to a deal to plead to lesser charges in exchange for a life with parole sentence.
The agreement was, if he entered an open-ended guilty plea this morning, that the only issue before the court would be life with or without parole.
Barber was allowed to speak to his father just before this hearing, and his decision apparently changed.
Would entertain a charge to Luis Molina, but a voluntary lesser on his sister Akia Molina. I presented that to the state, and they said they would not agree to that.
The defendant failed to enter a guilty plea today, but that plea offer is withdrawn, and it's withdrawn at this time.
He wishes to proceed to trial. I respect his decision.
So far, no trial date has been set. I did speak to Luis Molina's brother immediately after the hearing. He says he was very disappointed that that plea deal wasn't reached today, and he fears now for his family. We'll have to listen to gruesome details, see gruesome pictures of their own brother and son's death throughout an entire trial. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3.